Wow. Boy, Apple just wrapped their big I event, and I have to be honest here. It left me scratching my head. Sure, they showed off some shiny new hardware, but something was missing: AI. And that silence, it speaks louder than any feature they could have announced. So today I wanted to break down why Apple's AI silence matters and what it could mean for the future. Let's not bury the lead here. Nothing announced makes me want to run out and replace any of my Apple devices, all right? New heart rate monitors sound great, but I already have an Apple Watch, and I think it has a heart rate monitor, right? So isn't it a bit redundant? It's just not enough. It would be cool to upgrade when mine breaks, right? I mean, come on. But I still have an Ultra 1 and never felt the need to upgrade to a 2. I was hoping 2 generations later, there would be a meaningful upgrade, like new sensors. Not software tweaks, not a bigger or brighter screen. You know, they're nice upgrades, but not worth running out and upgrading something I already own. The iPhone Air is nice for those wanting a lighter, thinner, sleek iPhone. I've heard from many people who are torn on this because of the lack of cameras. But even the Pro is still underwhelming. No standout features or hardware in the end. It just feels marginally better again. There's that word again. If anything, it could seem like a step backwards. I question the durability moving back to aluminum and with dark colors, where every scratch will look obvious. Do I plan on buying anything? If my watch or AirPods break, I'll replace them, yeah, sure. Otherwise, no rush. Am I getting the new iPhone? Yes. Only because I'm on the upgrade program for about 3 years now. So I'm already paying every month for them. So I'll upgrade along with my wife. I do plan on getting 2 iPhone Pros, one for my wife, and a Max for myself in orange. So let's get to the root here. No mention of AI glasses, no mention of the Apple Vision Pro, no mention of AI at all. No live transcription devices like Bee, Plaude, Pendant, none of those. Are these devices not ready because Apple's AI isn't ready? This is totally frustrating, as Apple could dominate these markets overnight if they entered. Not mentioning AI in this event says more than words. Why have so many Apple AI employees left? Is it the money? I find that a little hard to believe that people are leaving due to only the money. I have no proof, but I'm thinking maybe it's something more. Is the Apple culture shifting? Maybe not the full Apple culture, but maybe the Apple culture in the AI department itself. Maybe the people they're bringing in don't feel as comfortable in that culture that everyone else does. Or is it the management, the top management over there in the AI department? Google Glasses are on the horizon, right? They could become king of the hill and knock Meta clean off overnight. This market is filled with content creators, right? And Gemini is baked deeply right into all Google services. If you had to be locked into one platform as a creator, it'd be hard to ignore Google and YouTube, right? Once people try Google Glasses, having AI with you that is strong enough to communicate in a conversational way all the time is next level, right? I fear it could chip away at Apple's phone market. People may love it, want more, and then turn to Pixel phones if Apple's too slow. They may as well bow out of AI altogether. At this point, my thought would be focus on integration with LLMs. Imagine system-level plugins that accept multiple LLMs. Siri could still stay the default, but let users install whatever they want. At the end of the day, this Apple R event left me underwhelmed at the very least. The hardware was fine, but the lack of AI direction speaks volumes. Google and others are pushing forward fast, and if Apple don't step up, they risk losing ground. So what do you think? Is Apple playing the long game, or are they falling behind? Share your takes in the comments below. I really want to hear what you think. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell because I'll be following this closely. See you in the next one.